Alright, a quick update on the story that we published on our Facebook and on our YouTube. The story of that young man, Panashe Nyamurowa, who died in the city of Harare at Panashe Machel and 6th. Very painful story, and I was really in a hurry going to Zimbabwe Media Commission to get my accreditation so that I could work well in Zimbabwe. And as I was walking, that's when I found a dead body on the road, and I then asked the bystanders who were there what was happening, and they told me that this is the story. But the challenge that I had to face there was the fact that there were unwillingness by the people that were on the scene to corroborate the story. So I got the bits and pieces from the eyewitnesses who were there, and of course from the lady who was like the main character in this whole scenario. But some people then came to Facebook and say the story that I published was not true. Of course, there are some parts of it that were still needed to be verified, especially like the names and also how the whole story happened. You saw how I took the video from an angle. I took the video from an angle deliberately because the relatives of the deceased asked not to be filmed on camera. That's why you saw the other part of the video, it was on audio. So I just wanted to clarify this. And also even the headline, the issue that was there were some people were saying that, oh, why did you say akafira or he died because of a prostitute? I was just trying to make the story so that it can be visible, it can be available to everyone, so that people can understand. When they read the headline, they're going to then find out what is the story, which I then told. But probably I might have offended some, which I say sorry to those that got offended, but it was not intentional. I was just trying to make sure that this story gets pushed out there. Also, that the justice for this young man can be served. If it reaches more people, then these young men who did this heinous crime can be apprehended and can be brought to book. But thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for everyone that shared the story. Really appreciate it, and let's keep on those stories coming. And if you've got a story, the numbers is appearing on the screen. Please get in touch. Let's publish your story if you want your story to be published. Love you guys.